The floor man suddenly lost consciousness while on top of diesel tank. The derrick man promptly notified the rig tool pusher about the situation. The tool pusher activated the emergency response plan and summoned the rescue team. And the company man had been informed. The radio operator received the order and called the ambulance from the main camp. The first aid team responded to the spot and collected the rescue stretcher. The first aid team heading to diesel tank. The rescue team responded and equipped themselves with required safety harnesses. The rescue team heading to the diesel tank and ascended to the top to facilitate the injured person transfer. The assistant driller communicate the crane operator who was instructed to position the crane near the tank. The assistant driller led the lifting operation to raise the stretcher above the tank. The rescue team transferred the injured person into the stretcher and secured him for safe landing. Banks man gave signals to crane operator using to tag lines to descent the stretcher to the ground. The first aid team carefully transferred the injured person to the rig clinic for thorough examination. The rig doctor applied the necessary first aid and applied the required CPR to the injured person. The doctor decided to transfer the injured person to the nearest hospital for further examination and checkup. The ambulance promptly mobilized and arrived at the rig. The first aid team secured the injured person and transferred him inside the ambulance. The ambulance evacuated the injured person and left the site and headed to the nearest hospital.